so this is inside my front wheel. As you can tell, the plastic thing that's blocking the headlights, actually the whole thing surrounds the whole entire wheel, okay? It's seen better days and it's falling apart. So to take this out, there should be 2 screws right here, 2 screws right here, one up top here and one up top here. And then lastly, it hangs onto the edge in here, okay? So I'll take this apart. If you take a look over here, this was actually missing. Okay, so this is the brand new one that I just put in. Okay, unfortunately this is not perfect because the holes don't line up. However, I was able to get these 2 in. I was able to get this one in. I had to drill a new hole to put it in place. So if you had the original, what I would recommend is that if you buy one of these, line up the hole so that way you could drill the hole to where it should fit. All right. For me right now, because it's hooked onto here and it's hooked onto the 3 places that I have, it's not going anywhere. Lastly, I just bought the plastic pins to put this in. So once it does, it's not going to go anywhere. All right. But that's what it takes to put one of these in. At least then it's going to protect my headlights. There's a hole back here. There's a hole here for the engine compartment, right? So water and everything don't splash in there. And then lastly, there's a hole here for the, I think it's where the rain comes in, and then there's a little pipe that comes out. So at least it's blocking that. So all I'm going to do afterwards is just put the wheels back in, and all is good.